Introducing this beautiful 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan AVP conversion van. Offering an ATS rear entry manual fold-out ramp system. This vehicle features a 3.6-liter V6 engine and around 50,000 miles. This conversion van allows the possibility of holding up to 2 power chairs with the proper tie-down straps. Simply open the rear hatch, unlatch the manual ramp, and unfold the ramp to allow the mobility user to ride right into the rear of the vehicle. Regain your mobility, independence, and freedom with this 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan AVP conversion van. Call AutoMobility store and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.